How to check weight on CNFans. So basically, to find the weight of an item on CNFans, you'll need to find the product link and use the CNFans agent platform to place an order. Then the agent platform will handle the purchasing and provide you with the item's weight. And you can also ask the agent directly for the weight if you have a specific item in mind. So basically, first thing you want to do is find the product link. So locate the product you're interested on a Chinese online retailer like 1688.com. Then you need to paste it on this link right here. And then you need to provide the link to CNFans. So basically just copy the link and paste it right here or submit. And then you can also add a photo. Then you want to place the order. So after submitting those, simply just have the agent assist you with placing the order on your behalf. Then lastly, obtaining the weight. So once the order is placed, the agent will handle the processing of the purchase and you can request the weight information from them. So that's how you can basically check weight. They will able to provide the weight of the item as part of the purchasing process, and that's how you can check weight on CN Fans.